Do you know you can make eko, also known as pap jelly or agidi? I hope I pronounced it well, at the comfort of your home. Let me show you how to go about it. For this recipe, we only need two things. We need water and pap. This is white pap. It's also similar to the yellow pap or akara pap that you buy in the market. So guys, let's go into this video. The first thing you want to do is you want to add some water to the pap. You dissolve it like you want to make the normal pap that we drink, or should I say we take with moimoi, that normal pap. Then you go about to stir it. You make sure that you get rid of all the lumps in it, like it is very smooth, so you have like this kind of slurry eventually by the time you're done dissolving the pap in water. Then you go ahead to pour in a pot on a very low heat. You add some hot water to it. You keep stirring like this. Don't forget to low it, because you just see that your pap will just curdle up and then there will be a lot of lumps in it. So you keep stirring until you get this consistency, and then you go ahead to take some water, put a little bit of the pap in the water. See if it curdles, then that means your pap is ready to be wrapped in moimoi leaf or nylon, if either ways. So guys, the next thing you'd go ahead to do is just put your pap, you scoop it in the moimoi leaf, as you can see I'm doing, and then you wrap them up. Guys, if you watch this video to this point, that means it's very helpful. Please kindly like, share and drop a comment. It will go a long way to help my videos to reach wider audience, and again, I will really appreciate, because this will keep me going. So guys, I've finished wrapping the pap, and then I'll just go ahead to set aside. If you're in a hurry, you want to eat this immediately, you can keep in your refrigerator. Don't forget, refrigerator, not freezer. So my pap is ready like after 2 or 3 hours that I've set it aside. Then I said this to you, you can eat pap with Eko Riro, moimoi, akara, stew, anything of your choice. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you watch my next videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.